Hello, I'm Michael Kuipers from MBO. In this tutorial video you will see how to correctly remove and reinstall slitter shafts in MBO folders with slitter shaft cassette. To do this you will need a 4mm hex key. Possible spare parts are displayed now. Pull down the lock pin underneath the slitter shaft cassette and then move it out of the machine using the black handle until it locks into place. Use the hex key to remove any strippers located between the slitter shafts. To prevent damage to the slitter shaft tools, you must first ensure that there is space between the counter knives and the respective tools. To do this, loosen the respective set screw with a hex key, push the counter knife to the side and then tighten the set screw again. Now loosen the set screw on the plug bearing of the upper slitter shaft. Hold the shaft firmly and then pull out the plug bearing. Now move the shaft horizontally and carefully out of the coupling with both hands. Make sure that the slitter shaft does not touch any other components of the machine. To prevent the shaft from rolling away and the assembled tools from being damaged, place them on shaft holders. Proceed in the same way when removing the lower slitter shaft. Again, make sure to remove it horizontally from the coupling. To reinstall the lower shaft, make sure that the pins and the recess of the lower coupling are aligned identically and push the shaft horizontally into the coupling without applying force. Slide the plug bearing back into the shaft and hand tighten the set screw. Proceed in the same way when installing the upper slitter shaft. Again, take care to avoid collisions with the tools of the already installed shaft. Put the strippers back in their places and clamp them. Loosen again the counter knives repositioned at the beginning and place them only lightly against the corresponding tools before hand tightening the set screws of the counter knives again. Now make sure that the strippers do not touch the slitter shafts. To push the slitter shaft cassette back into the machine, pull the lock pin down again. Make sure that the slitter shaft cassette engages properly.